Hi lovelies! Today we'll be sharing 3 easy food preparation ideas which will be saving your time during this holy month of Ramadan. The first recipe is cheese samosa, which your kid will love the most. I have used ready-made samosa leaves and a portion of triangle cheese. You can use fillings of your own choice. You can fold the samosas as shown in the video. This is very easy and a quick recipe to treat the hungry tummies. I have used mix of flour and water to stick the sheet. You can make in a batch and store in a Ziploc bag up to 1 month. Before frying, please keep the desired amount of samosas in room temperature for a while. Make sure to remove air from the bag and close it properly. So our samosa is ready to be freezed. Now it's time for our second recipe. It's a ready-made pakoda mix. This mix will save a lot of time. You just need to add the main ingredients and water. To prepare this mix, I have used gram flour, turmeric powder, chilli powder, fresh coriander seeds, ajwain, dry curry leaves, dry mint leaves, a little bit of baking soda, a little bit of hing, and salt according to taste. You can adjust the seasoning according to your taste. You can mix this well and store it in an airtight container. You can use this mix up to 1 month. Please make sure to store it in a dry and cool area. Our next recipe is homemade custard powder. For this mix, I have used sugar and I have finely powdered it, and then I added equal quantities of milk powder and equal quantity of corn flour, and along with I have added a few drops of vanilla essence and a few drops of food color. Blend this well and store it in an airtight container. You can use this up to 1 month, and you can use this mix for many recipes like fruit custard, pudding, and so on. Hope you have liked our ideas. Please consider subscribing if you are new to our channel. Thank you and stay safe. Bye bye.